Ready to give your space a more refined, high-end feel without the guesswork? These luxury home decor pieces and designer furniture picks instantly elevate any room with style and sophistication. From statement accents to timeless essentials, every piece is designed to make your home look effortlessly polished. All products are linked in the description below. Turn any wall into a calming escape. This bubble wall fountain fills your space with moving bubbles and 16 LED colors, creating a soothing, sensory experience. 4 lighting effects let you set the mood, from gentle shimmer to dynamic glow. It mounts easily in minutes, blends with any decor, and can transform a living room, bedroom, or office into a peaceful retreat. Use the remote to control lights and bubbles without leaving your seat. Need a couch that does more? This Loveseat transforms instantly into a fold-out sleeper, giving you extra space for guests or a cozy nap. Its boneless cloud design with high-density foam hugs you in comfort, while soft corduroy keeps it super cozy to the touch. Compact and lightweight, it fits small apartments, dorms, or bedrooms without taking over the room. No assembly needed, just unfold, relax, and enjoy. Cozy vibes meet big screen entertainment. This farmhouse TV stand holds TVs up to 80 inches, while giving you a 3-sided electric fireplace for instant warmth and style. You can pick from 12 flame colors and 5 brightness levels to match your mood. With shelves, drawers, and adjustable cabinets, all your media gear and decor fit neatly inside, while hidden cutouts keep cords under control. The remote lets you adjust both the flame and heat, so you can relax without leaving the couch. Sit back and spin whenever you like. This mid-century modern chair swivels a full 360 degrees, letting you change your view in an instant. Soft, high-density foam cushions hug you, while the fiber-filled back stays plump and comfy. The solid wood base is built to last, giving both style and strength to your living room or bedroom. Fully assembled, it's ready for lounging the moment it arrives. Give your walls a stylish upgrade. This ladder-style bookcase combines oak-look wood with a sleek black metal frame for a modern industrial vibe. 5 sturdy shelves hold up to 50 pounds each, perfect for books, decor, or plants. You can use it alone or line up multiple units for a custom storage wall. Assembly is simple, and it brings both organization and style to any room instantly. Say hello to your living room's new hero. This farmhouse coffee table combines rustic charm with smart design, featuring flip-top lids that stay open so you can grab items safely. Underneath, a hidden compartment keeps blankets, pillows, and books out of sight, but within reach. The spacious tabletop holds snacks, drinks, or decor without feeling crowded. Built from sturdy wood panels, it's made to last while keeping your space neat and cozy. Why settle for a plain ceiling fan when you can have a showstopper? This Fandelier combines a sparkling crystal chandelier with a retractable fan for style and comfort. 6 wind speeds keep you cool, while the reversible airflow spreads warmth in winter. Dimmable LED lights let you choose from 3 color temperatures, creating the perfect mood anytime. Control everything with a remote or app, and enjoy quiet, energy-saving operation without lifting a finger. Add a touch of magic to any corner. This round iridescent side table changes colors as the light hits it, creating a dreamy, rainbow-like effect. The smooth acrylic surface holds drinks, snacks, or decor, while 3 sturdy legs keep it stable and scratch-free. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to move around your living room, bedroom, or study. Quick assembly means you'll have this eye-catching accent ready in minutes. Elevate your storage game with style. This fluted walnut sideboard features 6 spacious doors to organize dinnerware, electronics, or everyday essentials. Its sleek, vertical design and rich finish add a modern, mid-century touch to any room. The wide top gives you space for decor, coffee setups, or media devices, keeping everything within reach. Built from durable wood with smooth gliding doors, it's both functional and elegant for years to come. Upgrade your kitchen seating in style. These mid-century modern bar stools swivel a full 360 degrees and adjust in height so everyone can sit comfortably. Soft PU leather cushions and a curved backrest hug you while the footrest keeps your legs cozy. The sturdy bentwood frame and anti-slip base make them safe and durable for daily use. Easy to clean and assemble, they're perfect for counters, islands, or home bars. Time to upgrade your chill game. This reclining swivel chair and ottoman set lets you sink into double-layered foam cushions that hug your back and relax your body instantly. The adjustable headrest supports any height, and when you recline fully, it cradles your head and neck perfectly. Spin around with the memory swivel base, it always returns to center when you stand. Made from top-grain leather, it stays cool, molds to your shape, and adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Stylish, comfy, and built to last, it's the ultimate lounge spot. Breathe easy and feel instantly refreshed. This smart humidifier fills your room with either warm or cool mist, keeping every corner perfectly comfortable. You can control it from your phone or with voice commands, setting schedules or letting auto mode do the work for you. Sleep peacefully with the ultra-quiet mode that even turns off display lights. Add essential oils for a gentle, refreshing aroma while it keeps your space perfectly balanced. Show off your favorite art like a pro. This wireless wall light highlights pictures, mirrors, or portraits with smooth, flicker-free illumination. You can adjust brightness and color temperature from warm to cool to match any mood. The dual-axis tilt lets you aim the light exactly where you want it. Long-lasting battery keeps it glowing for hours, and swapping it out is fast and easy. Stylish brass finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. Bring nature indoors without the hassle. This 6-foot artificial olive tree adds a splash of greenery to any room, complete with lifelike leaves and tiny olives. You can bend the trunk and branches to get the perfect shape, making it look naturally swaying in a breeze. No sunlight, watering, or pruning needed, just wipe it clean when dusty. Its sturdy base keeps it stable, even around kids or pets. Peaceful, elegant, and maintenance-free, it's a simple way to refresh your space. Add a touch of elegance to your space with this premium smoke glass cloche. Hand-blown from sturdy borosilicate glass, it feels solid and looks luxurious. The built-in striker makes lighting candles, fireplaces, or even a BBQ simple and satisfying. Remove the cork at the bottom to store bath salts, matches, or small accessories neatly. Timeless and versatile, it's both a functional tool and a chic decor piece for any room. Bring rustic charm into any room with this genuine cowhide rug. Its natural brown and cream tricolor pattern adds warmth and character, making it a cozy centerpiece for your living room, bedroom, or nursery. Use it as a floor covering, wall accent, or even upholstery. It adapts beautifully to every space. Durable and easy to clean, it handles daily use while keeping its elegance. Each piece is unique, giving your home a one-of-a-kind look that feels authentically Western. Upgrade your bedroom style instantly. This silver nightstand glows with adjustable LED backlighting in warm, cool, or natural tones. Mirrored panels and crystal accents reflect light beautifully, giving your room a modern, glamorous feel. A wireless charging station and USB port keep devices powered right at your bedside. 3 spacious drawers store all your essentials, while the pre-assembled design means you can start using it immediately. Sleek, Functional and effortlessly stylish, it's a bedside game changer. Save space without sacrificing style. This twin-size Murphy bed folds up easily, freeing your room when you don't need it. A built-in TV stand lets you enjoy shows without extra furniture clutter. 2 drawers, shelves, and cabinets keep clothes, books, and gadgets neatly stored. Made from durable wood, it's perfect for small apartments or studios. Functional, sleek, and cozy, it turns any space into a smart, organized retreat. Make your living room unforgettable with this natural walnut coffee table. Its layered wood design and curved glass top create a striking 3D effect that changes with the light. Stable 3-legged construction keeps everything balanced while you display books, drinks, or decor. Smooth wood and glass surfaces wipe clean in seconds, making maintenance effortless. Modern, rustic, and artistic all at once, it's a functional centerpiece that doubles as a conversation starter. Light up your space your way with this smart table lamp. Touch to wake it up instantly, or control it with Alexa, Google Home, or other smart home platforms. Choose from 64 preset scenes, sync it to music, or create your own custom colors for parties, relaxation, or bedtime. Adjustable warm and cool whites let you set the perfect mood, and it even has a handy timer for worry-free use. Small, stylish, and full of possibilities, it's the ultimate bedside companion. Breathe cleaner air effortlessly with this 3-in-1 air purifier. Its true HEPA filter, activated carbon, and pre-filter capture dust, pollen, smoke, and odors, keeping your home fresh. Covers large rooms up to 1,950 square feet, making it perfect for living areas, bedrooms, or open spaces. Smart sensors track air quality and adjust automatically, while the app lets you control it from anywhere. Quiet, efficient, and stylish, it keeps your air pure without disrupting your day. Turn your living room into a modern lounge with this 6-seater curved sectional sofa. Its sweeping corduroy upholstery is soft, plush, and irresistibly cozy. The modular design lets you create endless layouts, a U-shape for gatherings, or a curved nook for quiet evenings. Arrives fully assembled so you can sink into comfort immediately. Included designer pillows add extra support and style, making this sofa both chic and inviting. Bring cozy warmth anywhere with this portable propane tabletop fire pit. Its compact, round design fits on patios, tables, or even RVs, letting you enjoy a fire without taking up space. With 23,000 BTUs, it heats quickly while the smokeless propane flame keeps things clean and modern. The tempered glass guard and lava rocks create a stunning visual centerpiece. Ready to use right out of the box, it's perfect for camping, tailgates, or intimate evenings outdoors. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.